let's try something new. And don't talk about my hair looking crazy right now. I'm cooking. It had to be pulled out of my face. Unless y'all nasties like hair with your food. All right, so we are gonna give these a go. Chicken sausage. Supposed to taste like chicken parm, do they? I have no idea. This is the first time I've ever had them. And before you ask, here you go, friend. Here's all the information. And I'm just gonna throw these in the air fryer, just like this. Perfect. And for the hubby, cheddar brats, because he doesn't want my chicken sausage.
I'm going through changes.
And we're gonna just slide all those weenies out too. Okay, they're not sliding out as easy as I wanted them to. Be right back. And we're gonna throw some steak fries in there as well. Shout out to our handy dandy air fryer. That needs to be cleaned. And before anybody says something slick, yes, I clean it multiple times a week, but we just made bacon in there, and I've not cleaned it yet because I'm a procrastinator. All right, we're gonna do a little air fry and start it up. It's definitely not gonna take 10 minutes, but we're gonna check it after 5. Because nobody likes a dry, deflated weenie. You know what I meant. I totally forgot, but here's the plate. This? Oh yeah. And with mustard, next level. Oh yeah.